Hunter's first day of promotion and she's tired. What'd you just tell me?
I don't know.
You just got home. You don't want it. You don't want to Swiffer the floors now? Because are you tired?
Yeah.
So life, I'm telling you, life doesn't get any easier. No, what do you mean? Cleaning your house is boring?
Yeah.
Don't you want your environment to look nice? You just want to be fancy dressed all the time and sit around drinking Kool-Aid? You just want to watch TV and be a kid? Oh no, it's promotion day. Parents sit back with another computer while you do your promotion. No. Parents help clean houses. My mom never helped me clean the house. I remember washing that bathtub upstairs in this house. It wasn't even my dirt. I hated that. So now you get to do it. Wash the dishes. And you know, you haven't been washing the tub like I like it.
How to wash it.
You forgot how to wash it. That's okay. I'll teach you how to wash it again.
I forgot how to flip it too.
No, that's okay. There's a tutorial there are videos that I'll make to show you how to sweep a floor and wash dishes, and then I'm gonna show it to you, and then you can still do it.
Wait, but it's like.
No. Actually, this is what happens on promotion day. So tell everybody, said, "Hi, it's my promotion day." Say I got promoted.
I got promoted.